How to join a private league on FPL. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily join a private league on FPL. So let's just get started. Open up your Premier League application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, all you have to do is simply go ahead and scroll down here and find the fantasy tab at the bottom of your screen. Just tap on it, then you just have to scroll down until you find leagues and cups. Here you have an option to join leagues. Make sure you are on the leagues tab and not the cups. Tap on join leagues and you have two options here to join. So the first one is public league, so you can join a classic or head-to-head public league. But if you want to join a private league, you can just go ahead and enter the code here. So you need to have a Premier League code or a link to join a private league. Now, once you enter that code here, all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on join, and you should be able to join a league here. You could also do this by going over to configure leagues. Then you also have an option here to join or create a new league. Tap on this white button and then tap on join a cup or league, join invitational league. Now enter the league code here and you should be able to do it. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.